Hello, and welcome back to Cooking with Paige. First things first, apron. Okay, y'all, let's get crack-a-lackin'. Okay, so today we'll be making salad. I already washed my hands. Let's wash this lettuce. Alrighty. Also, forgot to say before, this is a Caesar salad.
Sauce it up, too much, ain't enough, where you from?
And now that our lettuce has that in it, we're going to mix it like this with tongs so we can just get every piece of lettuce with some dressing on it. And so every piece of lettuce has a little more flavor. Now we're just gonna get a bowl like that, have our dressing and our lettuce and salad like that, and we're just gonna pick it up and put as much as you can eat in your bowl. And then as soon as you have your max for how much you want to eat, we're just gonna set the rest in the fridge.